Welcome, in front of me is an iPad mini from 2021, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen, as you can see right here. So once you have it open and visible, press the power key and volume down, I believe it was, so to kind of like grab it in a weird way. Just click on both of them, and as you can see, it will give you the sound along with a screenshot. So once you have captured that screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery. If I can actually find it quickly. Oh, there we go. And in here you can see it right at the bottom. So there's the screenshot. So anyway, that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.